আমি নীলাঞ্জনা রয়েছি তোমার সঙ্গে শুনছি বক্স অফিস and I have this very special guest with me today, Mrs. Seema Sapru, principal the Heritage School, and I must tell you she's pretty and she's one of the finest principal I've come across. I was actually very scared because I'll be talking to a principal. I was very scared, and just look at her. She's all smile and she's so fresh. Well, ma'am, welcome. Today is International Women's Day, though I keep on telling that we should all celebrate womanhood every day, 365 days across. So, ma'am, do you really feel that the mindset of the society has changed towards women or over a period of time, or is it still the same?
See, it depends actually. There are people who think women are as good or they're equal to men, but who wants to be equal to men?
We are like different. They are different.
Yes. So we have to accept that men are from Mars and
Women
from
are from Venus. I read that book.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So
yes.
we are from Venus and we are happily different from them.
Yeah, I love Venus. Like, we love to
Absolutely.
look pretty, and
True,
our lifestyle is different. I don't want to have beard like a man. Why?
Why should I?
Why?
Yes. So if women are from Venus and we are, a little emotional and a lot more expressive, and so we're happy like that. So it's about equity and not equality. So who wants this muscular strength and become, have a muscular body and then
Ma'am,
go
I have
around?
that. So he's smiling at me. Auritu is just on the other side.
Yeah.
So I am into bodybuilding. So, but
No,
I
so am
love
I
it.
actually.
I
am
love it. So
am
like
I.
strength,
I
ma'am.
love,
Strength.
I love strength is very
Very,
important.
very
Physical
important, ma'am.
and mental both.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so but the mindset has changed. At the same time, there are rich and the famous who want their boy. If a
Yes,
girl
yes.
is born, so if it's the first child and it's a girl, you have to have another child and you have to have a boy, and who does the business go to? And we've made an empire here, and the girl is not going to be able to run it.
Because she'll eventually get married and
And
Jamai
she might-
Raja aa jayega.
नहीं और फिर higher studies के लिए why should she be sent? Because that money could be kept and that could be spent for her wedding.
Right.
And if at all, at any point in time, if the girl says that fine, let me also run the business and try and be a little bit of a help, I don't think people appreciate that too much. And if that fair share of property also is asked for, they say this woman is very greedy.
Ma'am, have you faced any kind of discrimination in your life? Like when you started this journey, you became a principal, all through your life you're working, you're taking awards, you're visiting places, you're meeting so many kinds of people. So have you ever felt that kind of, a stiffness in front of others, or like discrimination being a woman?
Not really. Actually, teaching is a profession which is primarily dominated by women.
Yeah, my
So
teacher,
you'll find women principals, women teachers all across. But yes, at the Heritage School, Kolkata, I must tell you, when I came here, this is 14 years ago.
Previously, you were
I was the
staying in
principal.
Kolkata?
No.
Okay.
I was the principal of a school in Delhi.
Okay.
And so from there I came here, and so the first time when I met the trustees, so the first thing they told me was that we've never had a lady principal in the school. It's a co-ed school. You think you'll be able to manage? And then they said you're far too young, and then you are, you smile too much.
Yeah, she is so amazing. I love ma'am. When she walked in the studio, I'm your fan. Completely.
So they said, we've never had a lady. Would you be able to manage such big children? So I said, you don't have to shout at people.
You don't have to be grumpy always.
You don't have
Kaan
to
pakad
be.
ke aao.
नहीं, जरूरत नहीं है. Children are so sweet. You smile at them and you tell them, see children, this is what is right. And they know what is right. Actually, they already know. They know before us. They know more than us. Such good children. ऐसी ही बात सुन लेते हैं.
That's so sweet.
डांटने का
Absolutely.
कभी, you give them a reason, you give them a logic.
The
and they
students should
understand.
also feel that teachers are their friends. Eventually, I have seen many students, they feel that, oh, teacher cannot be a friend, teacher always scolds. So this should not be the mindset, basically.
Yes. what you're saying is absolutely right.
সো ম্যামের সাথে আরো কথা থাকবে, আমরা আরো অনেক গল্প করব আজকে ইন্টারন্যাশনাল উইমেন্স ডে, এন্ড আই হ্যাভ দিস বিউটিফুল লেডি উইথ মি, মিসেস সীমা সাপ্রু, প্রিন্সিপাল দ্য হেরিটেজ স্কুল কলকাতা। আপাতত ছোট করে একটা ব্রেক নিই, আই শর্টলি ব্রেকের ওপারে ফিরে আসছি।
একজন লিখেছে আমি যাই আবার পড়াশোনা, ম্যাডাম আসছেন পালাই।
পালিও না ম্যাডাম রয়েছেন, আর এরকম মিষ্টি ম্যাম
তার নিচে রিপ্লাইও এসছে,
ভয় পাওয়ার কথা
হ্যাঁ তার নিচে রিপ্লাইও এসছে, তন্ময় লিখেছে ভয়ের কি আছে, ম্যাম বেশ হাসি খুশি।
ম্যাম ইজ অলওয়েজ স্মাইলিং উইথ
Always
স্মাইলিং
smiling.
ফেস।
One of the students, no?
No. One of the viewer.
All the Facebook Live viewers, like most of them are students. They are doing their online classes and they come and watch my show. And say, Didi, I'm watching your show. I have to go for my exam and I have my online classes and all these things.
So sweet.
So yeah, this is like Seema ma'am, and she's always smiling. Hey, you're a bacha,
I'm myself a
and he's also a student. He's a kid.
So are you okay?
No, I'm not. I have a kid.
That's okay. That's okay.
Absolutely.
That's okay, but I mean, as far as I'm concerned, we're both kids.
I just.
কেউ বানান, এখন যা কিছুই বানান ধারা অয়েল দিয়ে বানান। Box Office with Nilanjana.
बातें जरूरी है, तेरा मिलना भी जरूरी, मैंने मिटा देनी ये जो तेरी मेरी दूरी। बातें जरूरी है, तेरा मिलना भी जरूरी, मैंने मिटा देनी ये जो तेरी मेरी दूरी। झूठी है वो राहें सारी दुनिया की, इश्क जहां ना चले, तेरा होना मेरा होना क्या होना, अगर ना दोनों मिले। तू पहला पहला प्यार है मेरा, तू पहला पहला प्यार है मेरा, तू पहला पहला प्यार है मेरा, तू पहला पहला प्यार है मेरा। वो शहर बड़े होंगे बोरियत भरे, रहता नहीं जिनमें तू संग मेरे, खबर तुझे भी है ये रौनकें सभी होती तेरे होने से, तेरे बिना तन्हा कोई क्या करे। ऐसे सभी शहरों पे मुझको तरस है आता बड़ा, तेरे लिए मैं ना जहां खड़ा। मीलों का हो सालों
next question? What is the next question?
Education to the society for the liberation of women.
Okay.
$91.9 Friends FM, frequency friends ki. Hey there, this is me Nilanjana, tumra shunchu box office, and I have this amazing and lovely lady with me, principal the Heritage School, Mrs. Seema Sapru. Well, ma'am, another question. We all talk about women's liberation. So, first of all, what I feel that the society has to be educated in order to make for the liberation of women. So, what kind of education the society should have for the liberation of women?
So I'm going to tell you something very, very basic. As per my understanding, I think a woman is liberated when she's allowed to do what she wants to do.
Exactly, ma'am.
And allowed in the sense, it's not that the husband says or the father says or anybody says yes. You know, I have allowed her to work.
मैंने allow किया है, right? मैंने बोला है.
मैंने
So
बोला
I am
है.
liberated, not her. Right, exactly.
Or I've allowed her to
हाँ,
be liberated.
हाँ, हाँ.
नहीं भाई, I feel like working, so I work. I feel like traveling, so I travel. I feel like sitting at home and looking after my children as a full-time occupation, so I'm doing that. So I love what I do, and just allow me to do what I'm. You know, I am a little different from you, so just allow me to do that. So that's liberation, and for me at least. And secondly, don't compare men and women. And you don't have to be a feminist to be a liberated woman.
Exactly, ma'am.
You know, all of us have so many men in our lives. Our brothers, our father,
Biologically, we are
husband.
so different. So I cannot compare a man with me. Like that, a man cannot compare himself with me.
Absolutely not at all. So
Huh,
let's not
huh,
compare. Let's
huh.
not pull them down. Ki men are very bad, so we are good. No, they're very good. And men and women complement each other.
Of course,
Can we
they
live our
do,
lives
they do.
without them? We can't. So let's say men are very good, women are very good, but we're different. That's it. So don't compare us, and don't say that men are physically strong and women are emotionally strong. Yes,
Maybe we are, but that is our trait.
Yeah,
So I'm very happy that I'm emotionally so strong.
yes.
And you know, men are always
Absolutely.
our children. Husbands are also the children. We have to like babysit them. You know, तुम ये
That's
करो,
funny.
चावल कहाँ पे रख दिया, वो कहाँ पे रख दिया, चावल ढूंढ के लाओ और
Oof, this
कुछ
sounds so
कहीं पे चला
familiar.
गया.
This sounds so
Oh my
familiar.
god, I'm not getting my t-shirt. Oh my god. So eventually I'm babysitting my husband also.
Yes.
The way I'm babysitting my son. I babysit Ori through the entire day. So he's a baby. So it is the same thing.
This is funny.
So ma'am, lastly, how to educate men to respect women?
I don't think you can educate anyone for that. I think in a family, if the man in the family respects his wife, and children learn from whatever they see around them.
Exactly, ma'am. Like from childhood, whatever they see,
Yes.
the treatment towards their
Yeah.
grandmother, grandfather, parents, and everybody.
So if the husband is telling the wife to shut up and tells his son that you should behave well with women, he's never going to do it. I'll just give you an example, not our school example, but wherever I was, somewhere before this. So the child comes to school, misbehaves with a few people, we call the parents, and the father refuses to believe, and when the mother says yes, he does misbehave, so he says, "Ek chata maruga." The father tells the wife, and in front of his son.
In front of the kid.
So then I
So
said,
that is what he's learning. He'll also do the same thing when he grows up.
yes, so that's what he was doing. He was misbehaving, and he was disrespectful to the lady teachers at all times. So that's what we understood. So we had to tell the parent that you go and talk to your wife wherever, whichever way you wish to, not in the presence of an outsider, a stranger, and not in the presence of your son, please. So
That is very, very important.
Yeah,
We
so children,
sometimes forget this aspect, but I think that is the most important aspect which everybody should follow.
What you live,
Mhm.
children learn.
Exactly, ma'am. And ma'am, thank you so much for giving us time from your hectic schedule. I know that you have been very busy since yesterday, and keep up the smile. We all love it.
It's been wonderful. It's been wonderful talking to you. As I said, this is the first time I've come to a, audio.
So you like it, na, ma'am, with
I
us?
love it. I love it. I
And
love
we
it.
love
This
you,
looks so
ma'am.
beautiful. This
Like-
looks so beautiful.
And we both of us, we always smile and always laugh. So Amaro ekta naam ache then Nilanjana, you laugh too much. So I think that emits the positivity
Yes.
from us, and we are positive women.
Absolutely. And women are beautiful women, and so
They
are
are.
men. Men are wonderful people.
They're handsome.
Yes, they're wonderful people.
Absolutely, they're so handsome and so
Yes.
warm. Like Orithro right there, like Jimmy, like Arijit, and everyone. So thank you, ma'am, for giving
Thank you
us
so
time.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's been
আর,
wonderful.
গানে ফিরবো এবার আর আড্ডা চলবে কিন্তু আমার সঙ্গে till 5 o'clock. Stay hooked.